That sounds like an aligned speed controller. Oh, there's engine sound almost in tune.
Yeah.
Okay.
Low inverted.
Yeah. So too bad it's not any. It'd be actually nicer with a few more clouds.
I know.
You get the.
Perfect with the
Do a little touch and go on it.
Okay.
It has very rigid landing gear.
Yeah.
And ends up being so real you have to fly it on and do a wheel landing with it. Otherwise you try to do a 3-point and it just kind of bounces all around.
Those engines sound great.
It'd be nice if they could make electric engines with like a nice low rumbly throttle for them.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool.
That would be cool.
Let's put a sound card in it.
I guess that's possible.
Yeah.
A lot of rudder for coordination.
So you're using some rudder in the turns?
Oh yeah. Otherwise it has
A lot of adverse
a lot of
yaw.
adverse yaw there. Let's see, it says I have 6 minutes left on the...
Oh, okay.
And generally you can tell if you're flying and one engine goes out, you can start to see the little bit of yaw, and you know that you have to kind of like bring it down to like half throttle.
Oh, because the battery's going.
Yeah, and then it picks it back up.
So you got 2 batteries?
Yeah, two completely separate systems. Luckily I just charged them like a minute before I came here. fly scale, I have to put it like in half throttle just barely have it come along.
That looks pretty cool right there. If you
Yeah,
get,
yeah.
get underneath that cloud. There you
Yeah, there we go.
Contrast to the clouds will look cool. Yep, right there. That's neat.
Oh yeah.
All right, see ya.
We set her up for a landing,
Okay. There we go. Yeehaw.
Yeah.